Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering your alert audio files or a browser alert URL and opening OBS Studio. Once done, add a new media source for local files or a browser source for web alerts so OBS can play them. You'll name the source clearly, then configure playback to restart on activate. This ensures the alert always plays fresh. Make sure the source is placed above overlays and not muted in the mixer, because correct routing guarantees the alert reaches the stream and your monitor. You now tune how alerts are heard by configuring audio monitoring and applying filters. First, choose audio monitoring for the source. Monitor and output if you want both you and the stream to hear it, monitor only to hear locally, or disabled to send solely to stream. Next, add a compressor and limiter to avoid clipping, and a noise gate only if needed to remove hum. Finally, assign hotkeys or integrate with your alert service so triggers run reliably. Adjust mixer volume to balance voice and alert levels. You finish by thoroughly testing alerts and saving your configuration so you don't lose work. Trigger test alerts while watching the OBS mixer to confirm levels and routing. Make incremental volume changes and retest until balance is right. Save your scene collection and profile, and back up any local media or browser source settings. If alerts remain silent, check the monitoring device in settings, ensure the source and track are not muted, and confirm browser source audio is enabled. That single check fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.